Hey, what do you got?
I can call my boss and see.
Yeah, somebody got attacked by the tiger inside. Ripped her arm off.
Oh my, are you serious?
Yes, we're serious. You hear all the lights and sirens? This isn't a joke. All right, where are the tigers at?
Over here, there's just one. There's a line up there, but doesn't come up here.
Hey, we got the keys!
You guys can get in with me. I got them.
Come on. Where would they be able to put their arms through?
It would just be right at the fence.
Where's the tiger at?
Right up here to the right. There was an accident with the tiger looking at our arm off. Can you just hold up?
Yeah, you hear?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Is that real?
Yeah, please. Oh my God.
Please help me!
Echo!
Please help! Please! Please help
Hey,
me!
you're gonna have to fucking shoot
Please! Oh my God!
You got a tranquilizer?
No. I know I would be illegal.
Oh, please! Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot!
No, wait.
I'm gonna die!
Shoot, you're gonna have to
Shoot! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna
Alright, just keep a light on. Naples 1 Charlie 10, shots fired.
Come here, bud. Come here. This is out. All right, yeah, I know. I heard. You got a tourniquet on you? Hey, I need a light here. I need a light. Right here.
Yeah.
Jake. Shine it on me. Jake, come and grab him.
Here's the tourniquet, bro.
Come and grab him. Here. Where's the arm? No, just grab him and flip him over. You're okay. We got you.
Yep, notify the field lieutenant.
Get a tourniquet on that arm.
Have him respond.
I need the light, dude. You're okay. Get the trauma alert going. Whoever I'm talking to. You okay?
Oh no!
Naples 1 Charlie 21. 1 Charlie 41.
Get that all the way up.
You got a trauma alert.
Alright, that's good. Right here.
Oh no!
Undo it. Move your arm, buddy. Move your arm.
You gotta turn again.
Get that cinch. Get that cinch.
I don't know, I had to shoot it.
Tighten that windlass.
I don't know where I even hit it.
Make that as tight as you can fucking get.
170, 160.
I don't even know where I hit it.
160. Hey, landing zone what? Downtown or Pine?
Call shot.
Huh?
You want me to call the shot or?
Hey, you okay, right?
I-
Whatever I'm with.
Naples 1 Charlie 10. Just advise, shots had to be fired here.
Thank you. Are you good? Hey, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Move that back.
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's get him on the fucking.
Yeah.
Ready? Is this tight? It's tight. Okay, good. Let me do one more. Get that thing as tight as you can get it. No. He stopped. Okay. If you can cinch it down one more time.
I don't even know where he went. We tried, man. I'm saying we tried to get him off.
You did the right thing. I'm not doubting that decision at all.
Here. I don't know. He was pulling him through the fence.
Just get it through the window.
He had his leg in his mouth.
You guys have a knife? Got it. We're good.
You got it?
And then, yep. Now we're good. We're good. It's on. Yep. One, two, three.
Jesus Christ. All right.
Just start moving. I don't need its vitals. Move.
Just, hey, hold this.
Yep, I got you.
This is all has to be held.
Okay. All right.
No, the scene's over here. He actually pulled him through right here.
What did he do?
He was pulling them.
Okay. Where is it at?
I don't know. I had to.
Where did he get him at?
He was pulling him through right here,
Jesus Christ. How the
and he had his arm in his mouth as I got here, trying to pull him through the fence.
Where's he at right now?
I know.
Where's he at right now?
I don't know. Where did he go? Do you know?
Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Someone shoot?
Yeah.
I heard a shot. One. Just
Yep.
one. Right?
Yep.
Did you get him?
He took off.
Okay. All right.
You need to hold this for me, okay?
I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Hey, how do we get out of here?
Back this way. Follow the path all the way back. Follow the path all the way